Good afternoon, Algebros. We are here for Mr. Jeffries' Algebra 2 class. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Alright, so we had our warm-up. That was quadratics and vertex form. Now we have the traditional form that you've seen them, which is standard form. Okay. Now, unfortunately, we will see this ax squared plus bx plus c a lot in the next coming months, but hopefully it'll be tattooed in your brain. Alright, the vertex still goes in the same spot, and there still is a 1a and 3a ratio. Alright, so find the axis of symmetry, vertex, and points needed to graph. Alright, so instead of having a, h, and k, we have a, b, and c. Alright, this is what happens when stuff is discovered in two different communities, and they can't like snap each other and make sure everybody's on the same page. Huh? Oh no, not meth. They were drugs. Yeah. All right. So our a is what's in front of the x squared, so this would be 1. Our b is the next term. This would be -2. And our c is 1. Now, we would plug in our numbers into this formula right here. This -b over 2a. Yo.
Is it supposed to be negative 2?
Yes.
Make it so you can-
No, because it's minus b is the original thing. All right, now some of your calculators are going to be able to do this all at once very easily. Okay, so if you happen to have one of the yellow calculators or the blue and white version of this calculator, this is the keystrokes. All right, so from the second button you go down 2 and to the right, and there's an n over d, which stands for numerator over denominator. Okay, now we can actually, here's where people have messed up all day today. When I say you have to put everything in here as it's written, and people do something that's different, they get the wrong answer, and then they start yelling syntax error, and other than looking. All right, so now this is a negative. The negative button is down here, not subtract. So print negative, parenthesis, bless you, -2, bless you again, bless you a whole bunch. All right, so now to go from the top to the bottom, we use a cursor. Bloop. Okay, 2 parenthesis 1. All right, so you should get 1 as your answer. All right, so remember, this is the x value from my vertex, so it would go here. I'll have to show you later. Okay. Look here, come here. I can show you how to use it if you. It's. Oh, we don't have. All right. So now, to find the y value for the vertex, we're going to plug in what we just got for x. Okay. Now, I have it set up like this, so that's how you would actually plug it into the calculator. So parenthesis 1 parenthesis squared minus 2 parenthesis 1 plus 1. All right, so we get 0. That is the y value for that. All right. Now we know that A is 1, so this is positive, so it opens like this. So our max is infinity, and our min is our vertex. Now after that, now you could actually plug these numbers in or whatever, or you could use the ratio. Okay, so this is 0, 2, 3, -1. All right. Remember, this is 1a. Well, that's 1 times 1, which is 1. So add 1. 3a. 3 times 1, which is 3. So 4 and 4. And that's it. Now, does have a little bit of different math than the vertex form, but it's literally the same thing. It's just like this is the vertex form in a costume. All right. Are we good with example 1? Anybody need more time? All right. So let's move on to example 2. Yeah. All right. So stepping through it. A is this number right here. What is this number in front of x squared? -1. -1. Okay, we know that's negative, that it's going to open down like that. All right. Our B is right here. Our C is -3. All right. Now we just plug in the bits. 6, -3. Negative parentheses 6. Yep. I just got excited. C is kind of like the redheaded stepchild in this scenario. We don't really do a whole lot with it. All right. And this is 2 parentheses -1. All right. So we get 3. Now, everywhere we saw x, we're replacing it with these parentheses and we're putting a 3 inside of it. That way, when we actually type it into the calculator, this is exactly how it should look. Okay? So, negative parenthesis 3 squared plus 6 parenthesis 3 minus 3. Boop. So our y, 6, all right, I can go ahead and fill this part out. The max is going to be our vertex, and our min is negative infinity. All right, so this is 2, 1, 4, 5. All right, so 1a, 1 times -1, -1. All right, So I'm adding a -1 or subtracting 1. So if you have 6, you take 1 away. If you have 6 fingers, you cut 1 off, you have 5. Okay. 3 times -1, -3. All right. So if we have 5, we take 3 away. It's 2. All right. Believe it or not, this is where we're stopping the lesson. Oh wow, somebody's really excited. And we got some example problems in the back. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.